Hey everyone, it's Dustin with TWPD. So I was debating about showing this or not, but it does look interesting enough to do it. I'm working on a OnePlus 5T, right?
Yes.
Okay. So he ran into a problem where he inserted his headphone jack and it broke off in there. And so now he can't hear anybody on there because it's showing that headphones are plugged in. And so he says, hey, on YouTube, they just open up the back here and then you could stick it through the back. Well, it's not the case, and I'm going to show you guys here in a minute. So this is the back here, and so we can fix the people who are saying that you could just push it through the back. I don't see where you could just push this headphone jack through the back, but you can see it's stuck in there. And so I ordered one of these off of Mentor for another customer, but we just cleaned his charge port and it was fine. So I have an extra one, but it's really straightforward. All I did was take off 2 pentalobe screws. It's just like an iPhone. It was really weird. And then I took my Iflex tool and just got in between the red and the actual screen itself here and just popped it up. So I don't have any of my proper equipment to hold my camera today, or I would show you guys how to do this. But I mean, if you ever need to change a headphone jack or your charge dock, I mean, it's as simple as removing a few screws here and taking out this cable and then replacing the cable and then putting it back in. And you have to remove this clasp, which is a little fun. Just use some tweezers to pop up. And then of course your fingerprint sensor reader connects right there. And just put it back together. If I run across the screen repair, I'll certainly record it, but I have yet to do that. I have not ran across this phone except for one other time. So it's a beautiful design. I really like it. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Just a little short video on how to replace the charge port. It should be pretty simple. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask.